Now that we've seen how Sysrev operates, let's take a look at how to standardize, replicate, and extend your research across Sysrev projects. If we return to our demo project and look at the labels, we can see that we've already pulled in the LD50 LC50 group label from the group label demo project. Let's go quickly grab the other group label. Navigate to the project, return to the label definitions, and click the Share Label icon for the group label you want, in this case, Health Effects. Make sure you copy all of the code and return to your previous project. Manage, Label Definitions, and Import Label, and now copy the code. The new project now also has the Health Effects group label. If we go to Review, we can see that the new group label has been properly imported. But what happens if you want to copy and paste multiple labels? Well, then you can just clone the entire project. Cloning a project copies all of the articles and label definitions, but none of the label responses. Simply click Clone, designate who should be the owner of the project, and boom, it's been cloned. Quickly update the title for clarity, and maybe delete the old sources if you would like to begin anew. And with that, we have seen how Sysrev presents versatile tools to tackle any literature review or data curation project. To see Sysrev in action, check out our other featured projects, or just give it a try.